There's our case. Rock hard. Got these, here's the flap, but it's locked, so you have to push the button in, which I like. Just so nothing unintentional happens. Place to lock. Actually two places you can lock it down. You got foam up here. You got slots for 3 guns. And then you got multiple slots for your magazines. And then it comes with this little handy dandy tool that allows you to, oh, where did I put them all? Here they are. These things are jammed way down in there, 2 layers deep. And so this allows you to get them out of there. Hard to do with one hand right now, but so if you're not using them, you can just keep them filled in. But yeah, everything's molded just right. For I've had multiple different calibers I've tried in here, and they all fit comfortable, tight, snug. So so far so good. Very protective. You could I swear you could throw this thing out of the car and it would be just fine. Yeah, it exceeded my expectations. Just an absolutely rock solid case. And it's not terribly heavy either, so carrying around isn't too bad. When you have some weapons in there and some ammo, it definitely gets a little bit heavier. Other than that, just a fantastic case.